Topographical surveyors and Dankaurs are professionals who specialize in conducting surveys to gather and analyze data about the physical features of a specific area. These surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction, urban planning, and environmental management. Their expertise allows them to accurately measure and map the land, identify any existing structures or natural elements, and provide detailed information for designing and developing projects. In Dankaurs, topographical surveyors use advanced equipment and techniques to gather data about the terrain, elevation, and features of the land. They may use tools such as total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners to measure distances, angles, and elevations with precision. By conducting surveys, they can create accurate topographic maps that show the shape and contour of the land, as well as any existing man-made or natural features. The information collected by topographical surveyors is essential for various purposes. In the field of construction, this data helps architects and engineers understand the landscape and make informed decisions about the design and layout of buildings and infrastructure. It allows them to assess any potential challenges or constraints and develop plans that optimize the use of space while considering environmental factors. By understanding the topography of an area, they can plan the development of cities and towns in a way that takes into account factors such as drainage patterns, slope stability, and the preservation of natural resources. This ensures that urban areas are designed in a sustainable manner, minimizing environmental impact and promoting efficient land use. By utilizing advanced equipment and techniques, these professionals contribute to the efficient design and development of projects while considering environmental factors and preserving natural resources. Topographical surveyors and Dankaurs are specialists in performing surveys to obtain and analyze information about the physical characteristics of a certain location. The building, urban planning, and environmental management sectors all rely heavily on these surveyors. Because of their knowledge, they can measure and map the area precisely, identify any existing buildings or natural features, and provide extensive information for planning and constructing projects. In Dankaurs, topographical surveyors gather information about the topography, elevation, and topographical features of the land using cutting-edge tools and methods. To accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations, they could make use of equipment like total stations, DGPSreceivers, and laser scanners. Surveys enable them to produce precise topographic maps that depict the contours and shape of the terrain as well as any existing man-made or natural features. For many purposes, the data that topographical surveyors gather is crucial. In the sphere of construction, this information aids architects and engineers in comprehending the environment and informing decisions regarding the layout and design of structures